This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
It's quiet out there right now, but we have declared a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert for the potential for some thunderstorms here tomorrow. The first signs of an incoming storm off to the west. We've had a beautiful day today with temperatures that topped out in the low 80s in many places and clear air, dry air. But here come the clouds just now starting to push over into the valley. These are thin clouds, but if you look farther to the west, you can see that there are some thunderstorms here just north of Lake Erie, west of Lake Ontario. So that is headed in our direction here tomorrow. So it looks like 2 rounds, widespread rain and some thunder and lightning in the morning, and then more scattered to isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon and early evening. So if you have outdoor plans for tomorrow, have an indoor alternative ready to go. 70 tomorrow, Westfield and Springfield. Showers, thunderstorms tomorrow in Hampshire County, 69 degrees in Amherst, 67 tomorrow in Greenfield. And in the Berkshires, mostly cloudy, showers and thunderstorms, 70 in Lee and 72 tomorrow in North Adams. Could be some sizable hail with these storms here tomorrow. We'll track their arrival and departure and what's happening for the rest of the week with the 22 News Storm Team Skycast.